13 Best Makeup Trends of 2022. 1. Emma Watson. Emma Watson isn't just an amazing actress and everyone's beloved Hermine. She is also an activist and a super smart person who is constantly working for the betterment of society. We know that as incomparable and extraordinary as Watson is, her makeup fashion is equally incredible and goes along with every huge step she takes. 2. Emma Stone's dreamy makeup. Emma Stone is our favorite dork, and her work in La La Land has left people all over the world speechless. She has been showcasing her talent in a more and more obvious way as the years are going by, and we are so excited to see what she worked on next. 3. Megan Fox. Megan Fox has and will always be considered the hottest gal in Hollywood. Her work in the Transformers has made a special place for her in the hearts of millions of fans. 4. Mila Kunis. Mila Kunis is one of the most loved Hollywood female celebrities of all time. Her TV series, The 70s Show, helped her gain the popularity she has today, and her work in subsequent years has only proven her talent. 5. Kendall Jenner. Kendall Jenner is currently the highest paid model, and she has achieved this feat in just a few years, all thanks to her hard work and dedication. Although she doesn't like to stay in the limelight every once in a while, when we do see her off the ramp, she looks absolutely breathtaking. 6. Cara Delevingne. Cara Delevingne has been breaking stereotypes left and right ever since she came into the industry. She is one of the shortest models out there and has shown that height isn't necessary to succeed in the fashion world. Being a professional fashion artist and model gives her makeup expertise as a naturally gifted attribute, and there is no denying that she is using it well. 7. Natalie Portman. Who doesn't know Natalie Portman? An amazing actress with films like The Black Swan and Thor under her belt, and an even better fashion and beauty sense. Her looks are timeless, and she has always managed to look great. She keeps up with all trends and portrays them well in the way she dresses and styles herself. 8. Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift, the singer who gained fame from her song Love Story, has been only going up since. She has been famous for her red lip ever since she first came into the industry. What can we possibly say regarding Taylor's timeless makeup looks? Someone who probably has the most excellent fashion endeavors in the world, from makeup to dresses to shoes and much more. 9. Selena Gomez. Selena Gomez started her career at Disney and has now made a big name for herself in the music world and the beauty and fashion world. She recently launched her makeup line called Rare Beauty, which has been received really well by everyone. If we were to name someone who puts on makeup in the most luxurious and ravishing way, then it would be none other than the timeless beauty and our never-ending crush Selena. 10. Kylie Jenner. Kylie Jenner is the queen of producing makeup. We are sure you all must have heard of Kylie Cosmetics, but she's also an icon for her own makeup looks. Kylie Jenner's iconic makeup looks have occupied a top place on the list of ultimate fashion divas who know a bit too much about the latest trends. 11. Gigi Hadid. Gigi Hadid has made her name as one of the most top-paid models in the whole world in just a few years. She is a new mom, with her long-term beau Zayn Malik, and still looking as amazing as ever. Gigi's natural and simplistic makeup ideas are for simplicity-loving ladies everywhere and give the most authentic yet gorgeous look to their features. 12. Nina Dobrev. Nina Dobrev found fame from The Vampire Diaries and has since been living in the hearts of millions of fans worldwide, especially teen girls. Nina's makeup ideas are probably the best for darker skin tones because they are the hottest. Below 1 features a perfect look for weddings and formal parties. 13. Jessica Alba. Jessica Alba is the queen of looking young and gorgeous, and with her new and organic beauty brand, The Honest Company, she has made it possible for everyone to achieve a timeless beauty like her.